Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, this video is just for a reminder. If you haven't joined me pass app, then you're missing a lot. And again, for those who registered and they haven't done verification, kindly into your app, make sure you verify your face. Just come here and click on this place right here. Let me show you guys. Click on this me id, then you'll be able to upload your documents as instructed there. So make sure you log into your app if you haven't done verification, so that you can get this 1 meg token. Imagine 1 meg token right now is $4, 4 point something dollars, almost $5. So you are missing a lot, because after registering and uploading your ID for verification, they will definitely give you 1 meg token. 1 meg token, that is 4 point something dollars, almost $5 at the moment. So, and you're not going to pay anything, and at the same time you'll be getting rewards. Like here, you'll be signing in every day. You claim your rewards every day. You can see guys, there is an option. This is new update. They did this update since yesterday. So right now you can go ahead and claim rewards every day when you log into your account. I know this is how your dashboard looks like, and you can see you can scan, you can receive, you can also send. You see, and you can also see the number of meg token you have right there, and you can also sell. You can also sell the meg token you have here. So you can see, you can join this here. Click to join transaction, where you can sell the meg token. You can sell as little as 0.1 meg token, imagine. And you can also chat, you can join the community, you can link, you can also see your assets, you can also invite your friends. Right here, if you click on this invite and earn, then you'll be getting 1 meg token for free every time your friends joins and verify their faces. So guys, if you haven't joined, make sure you join right now. If you haven't verified your account, make sure you verify. This is a new update and verification is so quickly. You just need to keep the key phrases that you'll be given after downloading the app. If you click on the link, I'm going to leave the link on the description. It will take you to where you're supposed to download the app. Download the app, then register. After registering, make sure you write down the key phrases that you'll be given. There are 12 or 24. Make sure you keep them somewhere, or you put them in your notepad, so that you won't forget about it, or you won't forget them, because you'll need them sometime later in life. And you'll also have to set your password that you only you can access or can know. So that is what I wanted to share. This is a new update. Verification is so quickly. In case you have any issue, just go to customer care here. Go to customer care for help. You can see, go to customer care for help. You can do insight message right here. You can talk to them, you can do anything, you can talk to them for help. So guys, that is all I wanted to share. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Mama, stop crying, mom. Here, stop crying, mama.